The two-day workshop on measures to fight spreading of hoax news and false information held at MBC Salom Hall has concluded today. A team of Bachao Project and Women in Governance Wing, Manipur, jointly organized the workshop to check on rumor taking rounds on social media and other platforms, as it can be communally and socio-politically dangerous in a place like Manipur. Founder of Bachao Project, Chinmayi, said, media persons should use various tools and sources like fact-checking websites to identify false news before circulating it.
The workshop we've done is mostly to talk about misinformation or disinformation and how do you use tools to fight misinformation, disinformation, how can reporters or journalists, newspaper organizations be contributing to this cause of preventing of spreading of false information, and also how can they leverage the tools, the platforms to fight misinformation and disinformation. When we speak about tools to identify misinformation or disinformation, there are a lot of fact-checking websites you can use, and you can also use basically image checking websites and crowdsourced information sites like Wikipedia and other places. There is no hard and fast rule of which sites you can use. The reason being that most of these sites are crowdsourced websites. So fighting misinformation or disinformation is a continuous job. It is not something that you can do in one link or one way. It requires constant vigilance, which means that whatever information that comes to us, we should be looking for multiple sources to verify that.
The Bachao Project is a techno-feminist collective that undertakes community-centric efforts to enable and empower the people, mostly women media persons. The workshop, which aims at making media persons well-equipped, was organized understanding the fact that media and media practitioners have huge roles in preventing false news and stopping rumors from spreading.